Can you see the whiteboard?
Yep.
Okay, let's study about polynomials. So before starting off with the polynomials, do you know what an algebraic expression is?
Do you mean things like linear, quintic, quartic, quadratic?
Algebraic expression is basically an expression that is made up of variables, constant, it has coefficients. So algebraic expression, that is basically an expression that is made up of, you can say variables or the constants. That is known as an algebraic expression. For example, can you give me an example?
2x squared plus 5 plus
Correct. 2x squared plus 5.
Yes.
That's it. You can like finish it here also. Okay. For example, you can say it as 5x minus 3. You can say it as 2x. Every example is an algebraic expression here. Okay. Can you tell me in this expression how many number of terms are there in this example?
Number of terms 2.
Number of terms is 2. Okay. So what is the constant here? What is a constant?
The constant, it is 5.
Correct. Very nice. Okay. And if I talk about coefficient, what is the coefficient here?
The coefficient
Right. Coefficient.
coefficient is 2.
Coefficient is 2. Very nice. Very nice. Okay. I'm going to change the page. Do you want to write it?
My last, I have it in my book. I can get my home study book. Yeah, wait 1 second. I have just a question.
Okay.
Will we be doing science as well today?
No, we are right now only doing maths.
Okay.
Yeah. And for science demo, my coordinator is going to contact you.
Yep.
Do you want to note this?
Yep.
Okay. Can I just change it?
Yeah, I'm just adding the. Yep.
Okay. Okay, now let's talk about polynomials. We have understood what an algebraic expression is. Now let's understand what is a polynomial. So a polynomial is an algebraic expression only. That is an algebraic expression. What the difference is between an algebraic expression and a polynomial? That here the exponent on any variable, in which the exponent in any variable that's a whole number. Okay, so what do we understand by this? That, for example, I have an expression like this. So the variable here, it will have a power of, it will have an exponent of whole number. That means it can be 2, it can be 3, it can be 1, it can be 4, 5, but the exponent is going to be in a whole number. It cannot be in fraction. We cannot write it as 5x to the power 1 by 2. So that's not a polynomial now. The power, the exponent should be in whole number.
Ma'am, after
Yes.
exponent, what does it say? The exponent.
Okay, the power or the exponent, this should be in whole number.
Wait, no, in the polynomial is the algebraic equation. Oh yeah,
Okay, exponent
yes.
on, that's on.
Yeah, so an exponent on any variable.
On any variable is a whole number.
Okay.
For example, is this a whole, tell me, is this a polynomial? You can first look at the board and then note it down. You can first understand this. Okay, if I say 2x plus 3x to the power 1 by 2, is this a polynomial?
No.
No, that's not a polynomial because it has a exponent which is not in whole number, right?
Yeah.
So this is not a polynomial. This is not a polynomial. But yes, this is a polynomial because the exponent is a whole number, right?
Yes.
Okay, you can note it now.
When you say exponent, do you mean the degree or do you mean all the numbers have to be?
Right, I mean the power, the degree. Okay. Actually, not the degree. Degree is the highest power, not the degree, but the power.
Okay, yeah.
Please note it down.
Yep.
Done?
I'm just writing the last one.
Okay. So now you understand what is the difference between an algebraic expression and a polynomial. A polynomial is an algebraic expression itself, but the only thing is that the exponent on any variable, that should be a whole number.
Yep.
Okay. Okay, now let's understand what is the degree of a polynomial. You were just talking about that, whether it's a degree. So let's understand what is a degree. Degree of a polynomial. Degree is what? Degree is the highest power. Yeah. This is the highest power. Highest power on the variable in a polynomial. For example, if I am giving you a polynomial like this. Okay, can you tell me what is the degree of this polynomial?
2.
That's 2. Very nice. Okay, if I talk about this polynomial. Okay, what's the degree now?
8.
That's 8. Very nice. So basically the highest power is known as the degree. The highest power on any variable. It can be on any variable. It can look like this also. X to the power 6 plus x to the power 10